Hello everyone. In this section, we will be computing an endpoint DFT of a given sequence and plotting the magnitude and the phase spectrum. So before starting up with this particular section on computing endpoint DFT, let us understand the theoretical background of it. Discrete Fourier transform is a powerful computation tool which allows us to evaluate the Fourier transform on a digital computer or specially designed hardware. Since x of e of j omega is a continuous and periodic, the DFT obtained by one sampling period of a Fourier transform at finite number of frequency point. A part of determining the frequency content of a signal DFT is used to perform linear filter convolution operation of a frequency domain. So here the sequence of endpoint DFT and the plot of phase and magnitude spectrum is given by the equation x of k. So the theory stands is like it is used to find the amplitude and the phase spectrum of a discrete time sequence. The endpoint DFT of x of n of length n is given by x of k. So this is what we are trying to arrive at. So the sequence here, if you look into it, the equation x of k, where you can see n varies from 0 to n minus 1, and x of n ej 2 pi nk by n, where k varies from 0 to n minus 1. So let us assume that the input sequence whichever you are giving in is 1 1 0 0. So I'll be going on substituting these values here. So for k is equal to 0, you can see that the value of x0 would be somewhere around 2. Going further with it, so when I substitute x of 1 in the same equation, I will be getting n varying from 0 to 3, and when I substitute it in the corresponding equation, I will get it as 1 minus j. Similarly, when I substitute k is equal to 2, I will be getting x of 2 is equal to 0 and k is equal to 3. I will be getting x of 3 is equal to 1 plus j. So the DFT of the given input sequence is x of k is equal to 2, 1 minus j, 0, 1 plus j. So we can give different inputs in the sequence like 1, 2, 3, and you'll be getting the corresponding output of the sequence. So you can see that's the first one is your magnitude plot. The second is in terms of angle, that is the phase plot of the DFT. So magnitude and phase plot of the given sequence you are able to plot within no time. So how to program this has been briefly explained in the next section. Thank you for your patience hearing.